Hello, my name is Zimran and welcome to this Clickfunnels review video. And this video is specifically going to be a walkthrough of Backpack CRM, a special add-on. Well, it's not really an add-on. I keep trying to say it's an add-on, but it's not. It's a part of Clickfunnels. It's the whole affiliate JV partner management system that is a part of ClickFunnels 2.0 and the ClickFunnels suite of programs. And depending on your subscription tier would depend on whether or not you have access to that. Okay, so if you haven't seen my introduction video, make sure to watch that. I also have videos on Actionetics and other and tons of videos and trainings that are specific to ClickFunnels and why you need to have it and why it's important in your business. And I try and always give some really cool hints and tips and education in my videos as much as I possibly can, without keeping them too long. So hopefully some people appreciate that. But I want to make sure that you have all the power that you need to make the educated decisions and to also understand why some of these tools are and can be so important in your business, because so many people go online to make money online and so forth, and over 95% fail, do not succeed, and give up after 3 months. And those that do go online waste a lot of money, waste a lot of time, and are nowhere near making the profit and the money that they could be, because they just don't understand how to become successful and how to leverage other people and so forth. And it's just there's an education, okay? There's an education, and it's about modeling and doing processes and systems that work. And what's really cool about online marketing is that there's really only a couple of steps, and the same steps apply to any product, any service, anything at all that you do online. But there are many different aspects to each of those and many different ways that you can go. But there are certain universal truths that apply in all particular cases. So one of the processes and one of the things that I try and do is I just want to educate people. And one of the reasons why I love ClickFunnels so much is because it's such an all-in-one system. It's well priced, but not only that, because there are other all-in-one systems. I'd be lying if I said that there wasn't Fusionsoft and Entreport, Jabi, and other systems like that, but they're either really, really expensive or they're very complicated to implement. And this system is really fully integrated, very drag and drop, simple to use. You don't need a whole army of people to figure it out and implement or manage it. Okay, it really can't get any simpler than what it is, and ClickFunnels is just the be all and end all when it comes to marketing online, creating the mechanisms for follow-up and for sales and management of selling products and services online and building sites, right? Membership sites and all that sort of stuff. So what I'm going to do is something different. I did it in my Actionetics video, and I'm going to do it in this one. I am going to let Russell Brunson himself walk you through the functionality of Backpack. The reason being is because he can A, do it better than I can, B, he has data in here, so you'll be able to see it rather than having to use my empty demo account. And I don't want to show my real accounts, okay? I don't want to show my numbers and all of that, because it's no one's business. And not like those other marketers where, oh, look how much I earned and look how much this and blah blah blah. You know what? That's just ridiculous. And most of that, a lot of that's fake, a lot of that's misrepresentation. There's so many factors that go into people's income and what they're earning, and it's never buy this and you will make this. Never, ever, 100% of the time. There's an infinite number of factors that can go into that. That's one of the biggest things I don't like about the internet marketing industry and people that are touting that sort of stuff, because it's not always full disclosure. And people, for some reason, seem to buy into it and love the hype and waste a lot of money on programs and systems that they probably won't even implement, okay, because whatever. Okay, so please enjoy this video. I'll come back at the end and and we'll go from there, but you'll get to learn exactly how cool Backpack is and what it can do for you.
Backpack was created for people like you and me who want to run our very own affiliate programs. Now, most of us know at this point that the best traffic you can get to your website and into your sales funnels is from affiliates. Yet before we had Backpack, it was really hard to use an affiliate platform. You had to use external services and stuff. And so we want to make something so that everything can be internal and everything can be tracked inside of your Clickfunnels account. And so we built Backpack for you. Now, I'm going to show you a really quick demo video to show you how to set it up and how to use it. And after you've learned how to use it, you'll see how easy it is and you're going to be addicted to it. So I'm really excited. We recently used Backpack on a product launch we did for my new book, and we sold over 26,000 copies of that book, and it was because of the affiliates that we were able to do that. I couldn't have done it on my own, and we did all that through Backpack. And so I'm excited to show you how to use it, and then after I show you how to use it, then we can unlock this inside of your account, and then you can start using Backpack for all of your affiliate promotions as well. So come check it out, and I'll show you exactly how we use Backpack. Okay, so inside of Backpack, there's a lot of cool stuff, and I'm not going to go over everything during this video. You can go play with that, but I want to go over some of the core basic things. The first is the affiliate overview tab. You can see how many affiliates you've got, how many sales they've made you, what kind of commissions, how much you paid out. You can also see how many affiliates are active, how many referral affiliates, and a whole bunch of other cool stuff like that. Then you can dig in deeper and find out more about each of your affiliates and who they are and how much money they're making, and be able to contact them and build relationships with them. You can also come here and you can manage your affiliates. So if you want to log into their affiliate center and see what it looks like, as if you were them, you can click on log in. You can see exactly what things look like from their point of view when they log into their affiliate into your affiliate program. Here are the commission plans. So this is kind of cool. This is where you can set up different commission plans for different funnels. So I'm going to say add commission plan. Let's say I want to make this one. This is my webinar commissions. And let's say, on your webinar affiliates, well, first I create the plan. So webinar commissions. So that becomes right here. I can click on this and it'll give me the ability now to set it up. So I can say, okay, what do I want to pay affiliates? I want to pay affiliates. Let's say I pay them 35%. And how long do you want to delay the payouts? Wait 30 days or 2 months or 3 months. Usually we just keep ours at 1. So that means that affiliates make 35% when they sell that. And then how much on a second tier? So VIP JV is the second tier. So if somebody refers someone to your affiliate program, how much should you pay them? So maybe we pay them 5%. I click on that. And now anyone who uses this commission plan, when they promote something like 35%, and on the second tier, they'll make 5%. I can obviously change this as well. Let's say I want to make this, let's make this 50%. So they get 50%, they promote, and the second tier person gets 5%. So that's kind of how it works right here. And you can create a whole bunch of commission plans, and you'll be able to see where I use these later on when I start setting up an actual affiliate program. But you set them up in there, and then you can go back and use them whenever you want. Here you can review commissions that have been earned by affiliates. Here you can do your actual affiliate payments. And then here are your affiliate settings. This is for the affiliate center if I want to move one of my products up or down, and I'll show you where that kind of fits in the affiliate center here in a minute. Okay, so what I'm going to do right now is I'm going to log into a funnel, because the first step is I create my commission plan. Now I got to go to my actual funnel. So here's a demo funnel I set up. Now, if I want to have an affiliate program on this funnel, I need to add 2 separate pages. For example, if I go right here to settings and I try to look at Backpack, it'll say Backpack does not work till you have an affiliate access page and affiliate area. So I'm going to come back here. I'm going to add a new step. So first I'm going to add an affiliate access page or login page. Shown funnel, yes. I can leave that as is. Okay, so the affiliate page. And then I come right here to affiliates, and this is the access page. This is where someone creates their affiliate account. So I create that page there. Okay, so that page is done. Now I need to add my affiliate area. This is where my affiliate tools are going to be and things like that. All right, so those 2 pages there now. I click on affiliate area. I can pick one of the templates. All right, so now that that's done, both of those are there. Now if I come back here to settings and I scroll down to Backpack, check this out. Now it shows me that the affiliate program is in there. I can say it's enabled. If I click on this, now this affiliate center, I'll show you in a minute, will show up in the actual affiliate center. Or this funnel will show up in the affiliate center, or I can turn it off, and I can pick which commission plan. So maybe I want this one to be the webinar commission plan. So now they'll get paid out on that commission plan I set up earlier, the one that I set up back here on commission plans. Okay, so I can change those around if I want to. So I'm not going to enable this right now. and because there's no product here obviously, but that's what I would do here. Now I can also come back here, and if you want, you can edit the affiliate login page, add your pictures, add your own phone number. You can edit the affiliate area right here. You can add in banner ads, you can add your own tools, a whole bunch of cool stuff like that. I won't show that here in this video because if you've used the ClickFunnels editor in the past, you should know how to do that. Okay, so next thing I want to show you guys is this is an affiliate. This is one of my programs, and I already created my affiliate login in my affiliate center. So I'm going to come here and I'm going to actually log in because I want to show you guys what it looks like when an affiliate logs into my affiliate center. Okay, so affiliate logs in, the first thing they'll see is they'll see all of the different funnels that I have affiliate programs set up for. So I have an affiliate program for my free book offer, for this free book offer, for this, for my monthly newsletter, for my perfect webinar. So you can see all the different affiliate programs I've set up. So each of these is a different funnel. That's an affiliate program. And then the affiliate can come here, they can get an affiliate link really quickly, or they click on Get Affiliate Tools. And when they do that, it'll actually open up the affiliate center that I designed earlier. That then, again, I can have information on my affiliate program. I can add in their affiliate links. I can throw in their stats. I can put in banner ads. All those kind of things happen from there. And so that's kind of how the whole process works with Backpack. Is the first step is you come here and you set up your commission plans. Then you go to any funnel that you want to affiliate program. You add in an affiliate login page and affiliate area page. Add those two pages. Then you go to settings. And if you want to show up in the affiliate area, you just click on that, pick which commission plan you want, and then you're ready to rock and roll. The last step is then coming back here, obviously, to the affiliate area, and you can design it. So all I did is I logged into the editor here, and I designed this page look kind of like this. And so it's pretty simple and pretty easy when all is said and done, and it's something you'll play with a little bit, but that's how you set up your affiliate program inside of Backpack. All right, so that's Backpack. Now you guys see exactly how you can start running your very own affiliate programs. You can literally attach it to any funnel, and it's something you're gonna love. So that's the game plan right now. So now you watch this video, there should be a button.
All right, so there you have it. Russell Brunson just walked you through all the areas of Backpack as it stands today. And, you know, they've got a lot of other cool features that they're adding to this system over time, and they have been for the past year that ClickFunnels has been out. It's been completely expanded upon, and so many cool features added and so forth. So I'm really excited for this product, and I have been since its inception for many reasons that I've explained in so many of my videos. Please make sure to click on the links below. Get your 14-day free trial, subscribe and implement. If you have any troubles, not only if you buy through me, you know, if you purchase through my links and you get your 14-day trial through my links, you will also qualify for my bonuses. So make sure you take me up on my bonuses, which includes not only some really cool training programs, but you also get direct access to me. So if you don't want to deal with their support and, you know, and so forth, which their support's really good, and you've gone through the different webinars and all that sort of stuff, but you just want someone to chat to, run some ideas behind for your business, maybe to help you out or whatever else, contact me. I'll give you my Skype contact. You'll have my email address, and you'll also get access to my webinars and other things that I will be doing over time to help further educate and teach people about effective marketing and effective sales funnels, and to maximize your ROI and literally guarantee your success online. So thank you so much for listening. Please click on the links below and share and like and all that sort of stuff if I haven't already said that before. And thank you.